Hi guys, how are you? Now last time we have discussed about the online earning, that how we can easily earn more money online. Now the another way is to create a WordPress job board with paid submission. Another option is to create a paid job abroad. Companies who want to advertise and open positions to your audience can pay you to submit a listing. It's easier to create a successful job board if you are narrowed down to a specific niche. That way too can become that good sites for anyone looking for a job in that industry with minimum competition. This one create great for established blogs in a narrow niche. For example, ProBlogger is now famous for their job board for professional bloggers. With WordPress, creating a paid job board is easy. See our tutorials on how to create job boards in WordPress with job managers. Another way is create a WordPress event calendar with paid submission. Instead of a job board, you could create an event calendar where you charge people to advertise their events. This also works well if you already have an established audience because business will be willing to pay to reach your audience. A paid event calendar is a good monetization method for local or industry specific websites. You might choose to advertise events in your local city, conferences in a contained industry, or even webinars or live streaming events. To set this up on your site, see our guideline best WordPress event calendar plugins. Sell digital products with WordPress. If you are looking for a more low maintenance way to make money online with blogging with WordPress, then selling your own digital products may be a good choice. While you do have to invest the time to create the products upfront, after it's created, your work is very minimal. Here are a few digital products you can create and sell on your websites. Sell ebooks on WordPress. Ebooks are an obvious choice for creating digital products. They are relatively simple to write and produce. If you are been blogging for a while, then you can collect some of your old blog posts and turn them into chapters of a book. Once your book is written, you can design a cover using a tool like Canva and create a PDF of your ebook. Selling digital products on WordPress is easily with plugin. To get started, you can see our guide on the best WordPress e-commerce plugin compared. For digital downloads, we recommended Easily Digital Downloads. It's relatively easy to use and includes all the features you need to create your online stores. Sell online courses. Selling an online course is another great way to make money online. Courses usually sell for a much higher prices point than ebooks. You can charge a premium for your expertise. You will need to create the lesson for your course plus and supporting materials that you want to include, such as download slides, checklists, templates, etc. You will also need to decide whether you want to offer personalized support for your course. Some sites offer two tries of each course, is a basic version without supporting and premium versions with email support. Once your course is ready, you can use learning management system plugin to deliver the course to your audience. We recommend using MemberPress since that have built on in course builders.